Hi guys, as most of you know, I'm a microbiologist by profession and I want to talk about microbiology in general. Microbiology is simply just the study of microorganisms. These are very tiny organisms that you can't easily see with your naked eyes. You need a microscope to view most of them. And these will include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. It is very important that we study these microorganisms because they form part of our ecosystem, our environment. Not only are they present in their environment, but they are also present in animals and human beings. You and I have a lot of microorganisms in our bodies, in our stomach, for instance. And most of these microorganisms are very beneficial. Some of the microorganisms that reside in your intestines help with the digestion of food. So apart from microorganisms being beneficial, there are some microbes which are actually pathogenic. They cause diseases, and most of the diseases are actually caused by these microorganisms. Let's take diarrhea for instance. Diarrhea is simply caused by microorganisms, by different bacteria, and these bacteria are the ones that will give you all these symptoms that you get once you've consumed contaminated foods. So it is very important to study these pathogenic microorganisms in order to come up with different treatments, looking at different medications that can be used to treat different microbes because they behave in different ways. So in general, microbiology is a broader topic. It encompasses food microbiology, which is my specialty. There is medical microbiology, environmental microbiology, and just to name a few. In terms of food microbiology, most of the microbes which are studied are very beneficial in production of different types of foods such as yogurt, fermented beverages such as beer, even traditional beverages like monkoyo, chiwantu, and even mabisi require microbes for them to ferment. When you talk of environmental microbiology, you look at the environment in general, which will encompass soil microbiology, which is very beneficial in agriculture when you are looking at nitrogen fixation. Some of the microbes that reside in the soil help with nitrogen fixation, which in the end will affect the crop yield. And also the water treatment. Most of the microbes that live in water, some of them would be very harmful. Therefore, it's important to look at the microbes present and how to eliminate them to prevent serious infections. And in medical microbiology, as I mentioned, some of the microbes are pathogenic. They cause a lot of illnesses and diseases. So it is very important to study them in order to come up with different treatments for different diseases. Yeah, there you have it, and that's just an insight on what microbiology is, and I'll be talking more about these topics in detail, so stay tuned to my channel, stay glued, and you'll learn more about microbiology, food safety, and research issues. Until next time, it's bye for now.